Hi everyone, here we've got VIVO V20 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to actually very bottom in order to find the system. Now let's tap on reset options, and as you can see on the very first position we've got the option we're looking for. So just tap on it, and right now your device is telling you that it will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on reset settings. Your device is telling you that you cannot undo this action, so if you are ready, tap on reset settings again. And as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your VIVO V20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.